welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I'm here again, Tinay in India. So, nag-travel kami nung anak ko. Nandito kami sa Ljubljana. A-attend kami ng kasal ng kaibigan ng asawa ko. So, it's almost 6 hours travel from our place, Dehradun to Ljubljana. So, dapat hindi kami pupunta because we just recovered sa fever, no? So, but na-consent siya yung ikakasal eh. So, sabi niya, in-adjust niya yung date ng kasal niya just to be with us in his special day. So, ayun, kailangan namin pumunta. So, nag-travel kami ng anak ko ng taxi. First time ko nag-travel ng ganun. Hey guys, we already reached the hotel. And then, kanina pa. Pero pumunta kami dun sa bahay ng friend ng asawa ko. Dun kami nag-dinner. And then, we need darating ang namin. It's almost 12. And then, our friend in Mumbai, ah, yung nanay ng friend ng nasa Mumbai, binigay niya to sa akin as a lucky charm. Ayan siya, guys. So, pag inopen natin siya, ayan. Ayan siya. So, tapos, and they gave for Ato also. I didn't expect that they gave for Ato. And then they gave this for my daughter, Kathleen. And this is the first time they meet Atu. Even they wanted to meet on her first birthday. Not possible because it was lockdown. So, it's another gold earring, guys. Ayan. So, ang nagbigay nito is yung friend namin sa Mumbai, si Sandy, si Caro, and then together with Shikar. So, ito yung gift bigay nila kay Atu. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So, by the way, so nag-travel kami ni Atu for almost 6 hours here, na kaming dalawa lang sa taxi. And tomorrow is engagement. So we have a party to attend tomorrow around 5:30. But all day, we have to stay here in the hotel so at least we can have rest. And then next day, it's haldi. Like yung maglalagay sila ng yellow dun sa groom. Yung mustard or turmeric powder. Turmeric powder, not mustard. And then after that, on 5th is Barat, the main function. And then on 6th, we have to stay here till 6 and 7 because my husband is coming on 8 here. He will arrive on Delhi on 7 night time. And he will reach Ludhiana on 8 morning. So we will wait my husband here. Bababa na siya ng barko. And then we will meet him here together with his friends. And then we'll come back in together, our friends. So, ayun guys, nagpagupit ako. Ang iksi, naninibago ako, pero okay lang for a change. Bahala siya kung pangit o hindi. So, itatry ko na mag-vlog sa party, but let's see because hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-handle yung anak ko kasi napaka-cranky. So, Aja, come here. Come here. Come. Go. Wow. Aja, come. Hi guys! Good morning! So ayan, tapos na yung reception kahapon, ring ceremony. But sorry, I cannot do vlogging because I was running here and there following my daughter. So she enjoyed the party of course. And after niyang napagod, nag-wild siya as in tantrums. I cannot even eat. So, but of course, we enjoyed the party with our friends. So today, we have to go to the group side, our friends, my husband friends. So we have to go to his house to do the haldi celebration. So haldi celebration, they have to put the turmeric powder everywhere in his body. So we have to be there on that function. And then after the haldi, tomorrow is the main wedding day. So Barat. So Barat is the main function, main wedding. So I hope I can do vlogging to share with you guys what can we see there on that wedding day. So, pero pag hindi, alam nyo na. So, it means busy ako sa anak ko kasi nga running here and there. Tapos, napaka-wild niya. After niyang napagod, nakakahiya sa mga visitors. At this age talaga napaka-naughty. So, ayan. So, I wear some Indian clothes. And then, my daughter also wearing some normal clothes. Ayun siya. Ayan, o, di ba? Ayan. So let's see guys. See you. For now, bye-bye muna. Hi guys! So, good afternoon. So, today is a wedding day ng aming friend. So, ready na kami ng anak ko. We have to wait to others' friend na mag-get ready and then we go to the reception. So, let's see guys if I can do a vlogging there. So, see you.